Risk creates stability. Balik tayo doon kanina sa discussion natin about 1 to 2%. Maybe siguro most of you nalilitan, but always remember, small risk isn't weakness. Kasi when you risk 1 to 2%, no single trade can hurt you. Nangyari din sa akin to guys, no? I'm not an exception kahit sobrang laki ng experience ko. The reason bakit may mga ganitong rules, especially sa mga traders din na kilala nyo, is because to avoid and prevent. We're not perfect trader. Binuo tong mga rules na to para maprotektahan kami. And eventually, nagkaroon ng chance na maging profitable. Thank God. Okay? So, yung 1 to 2% na yan, that is not weakness. Just always remember, it is peace of mind. Sobrang halaga ng peace of mind. Kasi the more that you add to that position, lumagpas ka na doon sa 1 to 2%. Pag na-damage yan, umabot yan ng 10% drawdown. Sure yan, sira talaga yung psychology mo. Sira yung psychology mo, sira yung buong rhythm mo sa market kasi you're dealing with emotions eh. Kaya nga 'di ba sabi natin, trading has to be boring. Kasi doon ka makapag-execute ng maayos if your trading starts to be boring. Pero kung haluan pa rin ng excitement yan, hindi siya boring, then dyan papasok yung paiba-iba yung isip mo, paiba-iba yung ginagawa mo. Halo-halo, madali lang naman mag-add ng zero, 'di ba? Sabihin natin ngayon $100, naging consistent ka na. Kaya mo na pala mag-trade ng $1,000. Naging consistent ka sa 1,000, try mo 10,000. Dali lang mag-add ng zero. Just in case if you are thinking of stopping, no? Hindi masama na tumigil mag-trade in a day. Kasi 'di ba minsan naka-mindset sa atin, kaya ko kumita ng $100 per day. E paano kung wala? Paano kung hindi siya binibigay sa ng market at hindi available yun? So ang mindset natin dito, a daily stop is not waiting. Last but not the least, risk management isn't about money, it's about keeping your peace of mind.